Reading an endless wall of YouTube transcripts is exhausting. Watch how Lynote turns this massive text mess into a clear, visual summary in seconds. If you want to truly master a 2-hour academic lecture or quickly grasp complex news, you need a smart tool that actually understands the content. Lynote is a useful YouTube summary AI. It helps you quickly and accurately summarize video content, delivering a rich, organized breakdown while automatically grabbing key presentation slides for visual support. Let me show you how powerful this is. Grab the link to a hardcore 1-hour video, drop it into Lynote, and hit enter. Instead of just a basic YouTube video to text converter, you get a master-level YouTube summary. Look at this structure. It generates instant highlights, a detailed summary, a clickable chapter outline, core concepts, and even a step-by-step action guide. It's like having a personal study assistant. The text perfectly organizes the logic, the screenshots trigger your memory, and the action guide shows you exactly how to apply what you learned. This is high-dimensional learning. And the best part? There is zero friction. No annoying registration, no logging in. Just open the website and use it immediately. Stop wasting hours trying to find the key points yourself. Click the very first link in the description below, drop your long YouTube video into Lynote, and extract your perfect summary right now. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.